This is a copy of Joker's Daughter, issue 1, out today from DC Comics. And it's going on eBay from anywhere between $50 to $100. It's got a lovely 3D cover. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. But what I really want to know is, how's it taste? Let's find out. Okay, so here it is. 1 Joker's Daughter, issue 1. Ooh. First of all, we need to take out the staples. There we go. Here they come. There we go, coming out maybe from the back like this. Give it a try. There we go, that's 1. Do ask an adult to either help you with this or to start screaming when you start doing it and make you stop. Sadly, there's no adult here. There's just me. Okay, so why take the staples out? Well, this is why. Now, I'm not exactly quite sure what's going to happen here, so let's give it a try. Put your Joker's Daughter on a plate, place it inside the microwave. There we go. Let's set it on full power. Mine doesn't seem to light up. Oh, it's stuck. Of course it's stuck. It doesn't actually fit in there. Let's try it again. First of all, we need to bend it. See if it'll stay like that. So it'll go around in the microwave. Why I wanted to go around in the microwave? I don't know. Maybe so it'll cook a little bit. So let's give that a try. I'm not sure, it's good. It's moving around, it's definitely moving around in there. Now I've put it on for a minute. I've no idea if that's right or not. We'll find out soon. If this of course destroys my microwave, all the better. So the DC logo there, spinning around. Oh, lovely. It's getting a little bit stuck, but it's pushing around, having a lovely time in there. Wonderful. Okay, that's almost a minute. Let's see how it's looking. Ooh, it's definitely crinkling up. That's interesting. Yeah. There we go. Definite. Something's going on here. It's starting to mould around a bit. Yeah, actually the plate is quite hot. Let me see if I can get a different plate. Cool. Let's go and try. Yeah. Hot plate. Squish this in. Maybe I need to keep changing the plates. Put it in for another minute. While you're waiting for your Joker's Daughter issue 1 to cook, you could always flip through a copy of Reading Cool magazine, also out today. Oh, look at that. Lots of things going on in there. Isn't that nice? Bit of cosplay, bit of comics. A conversation with Mike Mignola. Everyone will love to read that. Yeah. So the Kieran Gillen there. He's clearly having fun. Iron Man stuff. Oh look. A price guide in the back. Wonderful. Okay. Let's see how that's doing. That's been in there for another 30 seconds. What you can see in there. I certainly smell something. Not sure if I should or not. Nothing seems to have exploded yet, which is good. That's definitely seems to stick at least. Something's going on here. There's definite stickage. Starting to somehow melt. That's interesting. thinking maybe I should just cook the cover on its own, but it is starting to shrink with the rest of it, isn't so. Oh, there we go. See, there we are now. She's definitely starting to fade. That might actually be an idea. Let's try that. Let's take the middle bit out, so it's just the cover. Okay, as you can see she's not doing too well. Let's get rid of the middle pages, which, let's be fair, aren't quite going to have the effect we might need. Let's try a new plate, just because. And now let's see what happens next. Definitely, see, it's definitely starting to shrink. Something's happening here. Let's give it another go. And there she is. Bye bye. Yeah, definitely something's happening here. Oh, look at that. Alright, so it's not going as far as I thought. I imagine my body might have shrunk a little bit more, but no. Actually, the 3D effect is gone, clearly. But there are definitely seems to be like different layers to it somehow in here. Yeah, some of the, it's weird, I don't know if you can see some of the 3D effect is somehow maintained, possibly because this is now rather 3D. Yeah, this is very plasticky there. Oh, look there, see? Well, there we go. Look at that. It's still working on the back. The figures come out of the shade there. Still working on the back. Interesting. Okay, well, I don't think we'll get much more out of the microwave. Well, at least cool to the touch now. How about something a bit more traditional? This kind of oven. There we are. Okay, so about 20 minutes later, let's see how it's looking. Ooh, nice. Let's see. Oh, that's more like it. Look at that. That's more like it. There we go. Look at that. See all the colours drained out? Sweet. On the inside, all peeling away to bits, all the little bits. Look at that. There you can see the different layers of ink, how it's all come through. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Lovely. Joker's daughter, after she's been in the microwave and the oven for a few minutes. I don't know what this would go for on eBay, but I mean, I can guarantee that there is no other copy of Joker's daughter that looks like this. So, absolute collector's item, one of a kind. I bet I can get some mug to pay something for it. Do you know what? I'm going to put it on eBay and see what I get. Link down there somewhere. Brilliant.